Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have some more cleaning motivation for you guys. So I started off here in our master bathroom. First, I used my Method glass and surface cleaner and I sprayed that all over the countertop and the sink. And then I used my Grove microfiber cloth. I got that kind of damp and then I used that to scrub down the sink and the countertop. After that, I took the same cleaner, sprayed it onto the mirror, and then I used some paper towels to clean the mirror off. Then I cleaned the toilet using 7th generation natural toilet bowl cleaner. I poured this all into the toilet before I cleaned the outside of the toilet just so that it could sit in there. And I got these cleaning gloves from the Dollar Tree like a long time ago. These are just the gloves that I always put on when I clean the toilet. So I poured that in there, and then while that sat, I sprayed some multi-surface cleaner all over the toilet, and then I took that same microfiber cloth that I cleaned the sink with and I cleaned the toilet with it, and then after I was done cleaning the toilet I threw it into the wash basket. And when I clean down the toilet, I like to start from the top and then work my way to the inside. You don't want to start wiping the inside of the toilet and then wipe the outside of it because you're just spreading those germs to the top of the toilet, so I like to work from the top down. After that, I did some cleaning in my bedroom. I started off by taking the sheets off of our bed to put into the washing machine. And then I dusted off the nightstands, the bed, and our dresser. I wanted to wash this window today here at our front door. This has needed cleaning for a little while. Kyle likes to sometimes put his fingers on here, or he gets his nose up against it when he looks out the window. And then our dog Daisy likes to look in this window all the time and watch us and see what we're doing. So she's always putting her nose up against the glass, so that really needed cleaned out there. And then this fake tree in our living room has also needed dusted for a while, so I decided to get that done today. And the only bad thing about having a fake tree is that you have to dust it, but it's not as bad as having to keep something alive. I have no luck with keeping trees alive in my house, so I just went with a fake one. Then it was time to put the sheets into the dryer. And I'm going to throw my wool dryer balls in there as well from the Grove website. I just recently got these, and they really do help your clothes to dry faster, I have noticed, and my clothes have seemed softer. After that, I cleaned my bathroom floor, I swept it, and then I mopped it. Once the sheets were dry, I put them back on my bed, and then I made the bed. And I don't know if this is just me, but I feel like putting sheets on the bed is so hard. I don't know if anybody else feels this way. Before I end today's video, I want to give a quick shout out to a new Etsy shop that I just ordered from. They are called RS Victory Press. She makes custom stickers for weddings, showers, and she has a whole bunch of state stickers on there as well. I got the Arizona state stickers because if you don't know, we live in Arizona, and I think these are so cute. I will put the link to her page down below. Go and give her some love, check out her shop, and I do have a coupon code for you guys. It's Hannah10. You can get 10% off of your order. I will also have all of that information linked down below. Go and check out these really cute stickers. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.